Today I'm going to show you how to set your hourly rate competitively on Upwork. So if you jump straight into your profile over here on Upwork, you'll be able to see your profile rate. You can click on the little pencil icon next to this, and here you can see it says hourly rate. You can add your hourly rate here. I believe the minimum is $5. Your Upwork service fee, which generally will change between 10 and 20%. So it's either 10, 15, or 20, depending on the industry, the job. I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff that it depends on. But this will be shown on each job as well. So you'll be able to see what you actually get out and then what you actually receive. So this is the estimated amount that you'll receive after the service fees. So this means after your Upwork service fee. So if you charge $30 an hour and you work for 1 hour, you'll end up getting $27 out of this. But you can change everything right over here and click on save. Now make sure that you are checking what other freelancers that do the same type of work that you do are charging per hour so that you can stay relevant.